This bizarre, nightmarish looking animal is called a camel spider, a giant Egyptian camel spider to be exact. They also go by other names such as wind scorpions and sun spiders, but they're not scorpions and they're not spiders. They are arachnids, and they have 8 legs and a pair of chelicerae, just like those other groups do too. But these are best associated with semi-arid and arid regions around the world, whether it's North Africa, North America, and even Canada. And I will go over that we in fact have some species of camel spiders here as well. But camel spiders, best known as solifugids, are non-venomous. But despite this, they have powerful mouth parts, letting them tackle the toughest of prey. And what is prey, you ask? Well, anything can be on the menu, from insects, other arachnids, and small lizards and snakes even. Camel spiders live a shy, secretive, subterranean lifestyle by day and venture out at night to hunt. They dig out burrows from scratch using those powerful bolt cutter-like chelicerae to dig their way right down into the ground. This behavior here is known as striangulation, which other tarantulas and scorpions, for example, can do, which is where they can create a hissing-like noise by rubbing their chelicerae back and forth to create that hissing noise. I think it sounds more like peeling Velcro to me. And this one definitely put up a fight to not want to go into the transfer cup, but this is just to show you how strong those mouth parts are. Camel spiders show clear sexual dimorphism between male and females, which you can see the bulky female on the right and the really slender, lanky-limbed male on the left here. I was actually trying to see if I could get these two to pair up and breed, and then the male decided to wander off, and I was just curious to see what would happen because, like I said, I couldn't find anything about really courting and breeding of them in captivity, so I thought I'd give it a try. Well, you can see how my breeding attempt went with these two, and I had to get a pair of chopsticks and split them up pretty much 5 minutes after introducing them to each other. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we do have camel spiders native to Canada, in British Columbia and Alberta, and a little bit in the most southern point of Saskatchewan as well. We have 2 genus here with around half a dozen species in each one of those. Here are 2 common species people often find, for example. So like, share, and subscribe, and I hope everyone liked this video.